Real quick, with the locky in some new bulbs. Ping pong pong.
Me ting a buzz, me have a buzz, yeah. A couple buzz, some ras buzz, yeah. Me ting a buzz, me have a buzz, yeah. A couple buzz, some ras buzz. Turn on the live, come we live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside, outside.
New bulbs about to put in. The dual color switch between the amber and the white. You know, previously I had the other ones that switch between the amber and the blue, but yeah, I really don't like the blue too tough, you know, just running with it for a while.
Alright, I take it out, we really gotta put it in. You know what I'm saying? This is maybe it.
When your car is lowered, things you gotta do to change just the bulb. So you really don't have to, but we're gonna do it this way. It makes it a little bit easier, more access to do what you gotta do. Just getting close there, Randy. You're not gonna win it because I'm gonna put the bulb in on this side and then put the wheel back on.
Yeah, I already got it on.
Alright, so we just pull that screw, you can see it right there. And then I can pull this back so the bulb can go in. So let me put this on pause. Ooh, that's hot. Pull that out. Box, check a look. Boom. Quality looking bulb still. Boom, got some weight to it. You can see the dual color on it. Purple. See? Similar. Alright, let's get this one installed.
What them fool they talking about? Minding them power, all about. Titans I go beat them, lightning strike and kill them. My thing them charge up, my thing them charge up. Marcos, Blue Lion, Big Mania. What them fool they talking?